So here we're given this square region which measures 10 miles on each side. So 10 miles. And we have a power station that's located on the boundary. So somewhere, let's say somewhere here. And then there are 3 substations that are located inside. Could be like that. Question, sum of the distances from the power station to each of the substations. So for example, D1, D2, D3. So quantity 1 is D1 plus D2 plus D3. And how does that compare with 30 miles? So we want to look at the extremes. What's the farthest that they could be? And so what I'll do is I'll place the power station at this corner. And I'm going to try to pick the substations. And they're inside, but they can be just slightly inside. For example, they could, they could all 3 be close to this corner. That would be the highest possible value of that. In which case, I just need to know the diagonal. So if you have a square with sides 10, the diagonal is 10 root 2. So here, the sum, I mean, it will be slightly less than 3 times that, or 30 root 2. Note root 2 is approximately 1.4, so about 42. So clearly that's greater than 30. And as I said, you can be a little bit inside, further in. So that gives us enough room here to still come up with a value that exceeds that. Now the question is, could it be less than 30 miles, the distances? Yeah, I mean, I guess if they are at this end, if the power station is here, they're very close here. We'll definitely get much less than 30 miles. I mean, note this is 10 miles. You could put it 1 mile here, 1 mile here, 1 mile here. So that would be just 3 miles. So I guess the summary is the answer is D. We have values that exceed quantity B and the values that exceed, that are less than quantity B. So the answer is D.